This short video tutorial will show you some strategies for finding relevant information for your topic on the library catalogue. There are a number of different search operations that you can combine to assist you in narrowing down your results. In this session, we are going to focus on phrase searching and Boolean operators. So here's an example of phrase searching. I have social media in quotation marks, and this ensures that when I type social media into the search bar, that I get results back with the term kept together. Otherwise, for example, I might get social in the title, and then later on in the contents I might get media, but the term might not necessarily be together. Here are our Boolean operators. So if I typed in, for example, puppy and kitten, I am telling the search engine to bring me back results with both of those terms. If I typed in puppy or kitten, I am saying either term is fine. If I type in puppy not kitten, I am asking the search engine to bring me back results with the word puppy but not kitten. So let's go to the library catalogue and run some sample searches. So first of all, go to the Carlow College homepage, then click on library. Scroll down to the library catalogue and click on that. Log in over here to your library account with your student number and your 4-digit PIN. If you haven't got your 4-digit PIN, you can contact a librarian at librarycc@carlowcollege.ie and they will send one out to you. So let's say my topic is on supervision and social care. I'll type in here social care. And I will use quotation marks to keep the term together. Then I will click on this plus sign to add another search box. We can see the Boolean operator and I'm going to type in supervision and click on search. Now we can see I have 6 results back. If I click on this title here, so there's my key term supervision that it's picked up and you can see it in red. And here's social care. So it's picked up the term for me together because I used quotation marks. Now I only got 6 results, so let's play around with our keywords a little bit and we can type in supervisory and see if I get more. And change this Boolean operator to or. So I'm asking the search engine to bring me back social care and supervision or supervisory. I don't mind which of these 2 words I get. So now we can see I've got 30 results. So it's worth your while sometimes, if you're not getting a lot of results, play around with your words and this can increase it. So let's clear this off and do another search. Maybe I'm looking for James Joyce. Again, quotation marks to keep the term together. And I am looking for Ireland. And we'll click on search. So there's no, in this first title, we don't immediately see those key terms, but if we click on the title and we scroll down, so here we can see it's picked up on James Joyce and there's Ireland. So it's got both of the terms. Maybe we want to narrow it down further and we can type in, maybe we want to look at fiction. So James Joyce and Ireland and fiction. And click on search. And we have 20 there. So if we click on this, we're going to find all of our key terms. There we have Ireland, you can see. Here we have James Joyce. And here we have fiction. So this is how you can use phrase searching and Boolean operators to assist you in finding information on your topic. You can do the same thing as well without all these search boxes. So for example, I could type in here James Joyce and Ireland and fiction. Make sure when you always capitalize the letters, use the uppercase to make sure that it recognizes it as a command. So if I click on search, it'll bring back the same results. So you can do it that way, or you can use the plus sign. If you'd like any further assistance on this, you can always contact a librarian in Carlow College at librarycc@carlowcollege.ie. You can attend the library workshops, or you can arrange a one-to-one with one of our librarians.